Feels really great. This is my first time to celebrate my birthday and wala akong pinagsisisihan talaga. Iba yung feeling, na makatulong ka sa kapwa mo. And since kasi bata ko, I really wanted to do this. Now that meron ako yung mga resources at connections and friends, and I think this is the right time. Timing lang talaga siya and it really feels great. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling kung gaano masaya. Overwhelming na ma-share mo yung blessings mo sa mga lolos and lolas natin. I just thought that one day naisip ko lang na it just pop up in my mind. How do I look like 50 years from now? Kung sino rin yung mag-aalaga sa akin. So, yun. Instead na celebrating my birthday with friends sa party. So, this is it. It is a significant birthday celebration for a customer. Yung value ng buhay, saka huwag kayong matakot na tumanda. Importante talaga sa family yung nag-i-invest ka na emotional investment and of course yung magandang relasyon mo sa family mo because there are different stories out there talaga why they are here. So kanya-kanyang stories.
Take my dreams, come and give them wings. Lord, with you, there's nothing I cannot do. Nothing I cannot do.
This is the value of life. This is the meaning of life. Sharing the blessings and giving importance to life till age.